Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate data sharing with Dropbox, complete guide step by step clearly. To automate data sharing with Dropbox, start by ensuring you have a Dropbox account. Download and install the Dropbox application on your computer if you haven't already. Open the Dropbox application and sign in with your credentials. Once logged in, create a new folder where you want to store the data to be shared. Right-click on the folder and select Share to adjust the sharing settings. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the folder with. Set the permission level for each person to either can edit or can view, depending on your needs. Click Send to share the folder with the specified users. Next, explore automation tools like Zapier or Rift for advanced sharing options. Create a Zap or applet that connects Dropbox with other apps you use for data management. For example, you can set up a trigger that automatically adds files to Dropbox when they are created in another app. Follow the prompts to connect your Dropbox account with the automation tool. Customize the automation settings to specify the exact files or data you want to share. Test the automation to ensure files are syncing correctly to your Dropbox folder. If needed, adjust any settings or permissions to improve data flow and sharing efficiency. Monitor your Dropbox folder regularly to ensure the automated process is running smoothly. Consider using Dropbox built-in features such as file requests for collecting data from others. These features allow you to create an upload link that anyone can use to share files directly into your Dropbox. Review the shared folder periodically to manage and organize the files as needed. By following these steps, you can seamlessly automate your data sharing process with Dropbox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.